is it? What is it? Severe thunderstorm warning.
Central Pennsylvania until 5 p.m. At 4:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Shenton, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Tamaqua, McAdoo, Hometown, Oneida, Grier City, Park Crest, Delano, Shepton, Brandonville, Codale, Snyders, Solares, and Park Place. This includes Interstate 81 from mile markers 132 to 139. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following county: Schuylkill, Pennsylvania.